Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to put up some picture shelves. These ones are from IKEA. They are called the Mosslanda. They're about a £5. So here's two I put up earlier. I'm going to put a third one over here, and they're going to hold my little touch bags because this is my walk-in wardrobe. Okay, so things you're going to need: drill and the right size drill bit for your raw plugs, a hammer, spirit level, bradawl, right size raw plugs. I'll talk to you about those in a minute because they're special ones. And a crosshead screwdriver, which I was just looking for. Okay, so, and of course the shelf. So these shelves come with two pre-drilled holes already, so you use those as your guide. I've already kind of measured and, you know, roughly worked out where I want these. So the first thing to do is get your spirit level ready, get your bradawl, okay. There's a little pencil mark on this wall that you can't see where I've kind of measured out where I want this to be. Now you can't see the spirit level, so I'm just going to bring it up onto the lip of the. So I've just marked up the walls where I want the shelf to be. I've used the spirit level and I've put two little holes. You can't see them in the video. This is the next bit. This is your game changer. An envelope, some masking tape, saves all the dust falling off the wall onto everything. Just stick it on the wall like that. Get your drill. Go easy drilling on the wall because it is a hollow wall behind it, so you don't need much force. I just tend to just go a little bit gingerly. And there, you can see it sort of goes right through. I don't drill that second hole until I've checked and put the first one in, and then I use the spirit level again to make sure it's straight, because quite often when you mark up a wall, you don't always get the drill perfect where you want it to be, and you have to just measure twice. So my next thing is going to be to show you these amazing little wall anchors. I got these from Amazon. As you can see, they are not like a normal screw end. They're flat. This is called a setting tool, and what happens is that goes in there, that's in the wall, and as you squeeze that, this bit squishes up inside the wall to stop anything falling out, and it anchors it, so it takes a lot of weight. This is what plumbers use to put radiators up, so perfect. So unlike normal raw plugs, you hammer it still with this bit in. I don't think it matters whether you leave it in or not, but I leave it in because it saves one job. Okay, so you leave this screw about 5 or 6 millimeters for your setting tool, because it needs to grip inside. You don't always get it the first time, as demonstrated. Just be patient with it, you'll get it. They can be a bit fiddly, but be fine. We'll be fine. Got a bit of patience. Okay. I don't have a lot of, but surprisingly for DIY, I do. So you just want it to grip a bit, so that when you're using that anchor tool, it's pulling back. Yeah, so let's try that again. That's got it. You can feel the tension when you do it, you'll know. And then you just squeeze to release, and that's lovely and tight. So it's screwed back out. It will be tighter because it's been squished around. Get your shelf, keep your spirit level handy. Offer it up to the hole you've drilled. Just take the weight off the rest of it. We're only going to do this little bit. Always easier if there's two of you, but mostly I do DIY on my own. Okay, spirit level again. Get your bradawl ready and just double check where you marked the hole last time, if it's still level. Chuck it on there. So, could be wrong, but it looks like it's slightly out from what I marked before. Oh no, it's fine. Let's have a look. Bang on. Bang on. That's what we like to see. Let's do this again. Oh, don't forget your envelope. And again. Lovely. We're through. I'm going to take it out this time. This one. Raw plug in. Lovely. That's in. In there like swimwear. Okay. And just give it a wiggle. Get your crosshead screwdriver.